So how do you get jelly out of your MacBook keyboard? So I have an old laptop. I let my kids use it to learn how to code, play on pbskids.com, and use it as a food tray. So obviously not an ideal situation. I'm trying to think of a jelly pun, but I can't.
So only one more key?
So we fixed K and J.
Now you need L.
L is stuck.
You need to do L then.
All right, let's do it. So I'm using this little plastic card to get underneath the key to pull it up. You don't want to just grab it, right? So it's gonna feel like you're breaking it, but just go with it. It's okay, I think.
Hopefully.
Oh boy. Did I break it? I think I might have broken it.
Jeez.
It's okay. Not broken. Maybe. We'll see. So step one is to take care of this. Look at all that jelly. That's gross.
I didn't do it. I don't eat Uncrustables. Action.
Okay, so take some Dawn dish soap. Get that water nice and hot. Just put a little dab on there.
What you say, Dad?
A dab!
Oh.
Ta-da! So now some rubbing alcohol, and I really recommend not a toothbrush, but an old paintbrush.
Yeah.
So now you're gonna just kind of scrub in there, not like enough to drown the button, but like you definitely want to let that alcohol hit that sucker. So I have this little Swiss card. I'm gonna use a little knife from here to clean out the jelly. If you're interested in this, check out the Amazon link below. So see this tip? You just use the tip of that to kind of dig all that junk out of there. Junk. Take some rubbing alcohol, cleanse the area, cleanse it real good. There is a lot of junk under this trunk. Isn't there?
But Dad, I'm upon the iPad. How about right now?
Keep using your rubbing alcohol to clean off the instrument.
Why?
You can use a Q-tip to get the edges nice. Alright, so then you just, oops, put it in the right way. Push it in. Boom, you're back in business. So you can use canned air as well, but we don't have any of that. But that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.